Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to stop Quora Digest emails. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First, you should open your browser, then type Quora.com and you will open this page right here. And what you're gonna do is to log in or sign up with your Google account. And now after signing up, it will show you this page right here. All you have to do is to click on this icon, then go to settings, your profile icon, then click on settings. Then here you should choose email and notifications. And now what you're gonna do is to go down till you find from Quora, as you can see, and all you can do, it's very simple, just uncheck all these options right here. Uncheck popular answers, uncheck stories based on my activities, and uncheck recommended questions. And simply by this way you stop all the emails from Quora. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.